Hey everyone, Michael here. Hope you guys are all having a great day today. There is some breaking news out in the crypto world, and I think we should be talking about it right now. So, big news here, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has been removed from the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation. It actually caused the website to crash earlier this morning and you couldn't actually access it. I just tried a few seconds ago and I was able to get there just fine. Oddly enough, this is something I have bookmarked. But it's not a terrible sign, but when crypto is pumping so much, anything that kind of deviates from the narrative out there, that usually does lead to a little bit of a pullback. And so far here, guys, Bitcoin has pulled back just a little bit. You guys can see we have still broken out. We have not crashed with the news. This is not something that's like imminently going to cause Bitcoin to crash, but it does slow things down enough where people start to be a little bit more worried and you see less buying going on, okay? So if I go over here to the hour chart, you can kind of see what's been happening since last night after the stream ended. We continue to go up, right? After the stream ended, I pretty much ended it right here because you saw that breakdown was coming in consolidation. Throughout the middle of the night, we managed to rally back up, and then there was that flush down when the news came out, okay? So what I'm going to do is go over here to the 15-minute chart, and you can see we flushed, we're making lower highs and lower lows, and that's not a good sign for people that want to be holding here, okay? My best thought going forward here is I'm just going to wait this out, and I'm going to still stick to my plan that if we continue to dip back down here, I may take an opportunity to do some buying on the lower end here. If there is more news coming out and later on this week where the ETF is denied again, I know it may sound crazy, but the SEC is a vengeful, spiteful little guy, little thing. And they may say, oh no, we can't do it this time either, whatever. Then you may see Bitcoin completely go back down here towards sub $32,000, okay? Which in hindsight isn't really a terrible thing because it gives us another opportunity to buy. I don't know why the chart's not popping up. Yeah, well, whatever. There it is. However, I just want you guys to be prepared for that because one of the things that I was talking about yesterday was I am going to be loading up on altcoins, and I did buy up on some altcoins here. Really this morning here before I hopped on. I didn't have enough time last night. But if you go over here and you check out specific tokens, like Dogecoin has had a 2% drop. I bought some over here as it was hovering around support, especially because it kept on going throughout the night. Like I was talking to you guys about that resistance level, we weren't able to break out above it. We could have perhaps, but again, this news was pretty bad. XRP still making moves higher. It's still positive for the day. Again, hitting that level of resistance that we talked about before. You guys are going to have a lot of opportunities still to buy up altcoins. Just be prepared for some volatility if you guys do. And the preparation you guys have to make is just not to be over leveraged and to have stop losses. That's pretty much it. If you guys were buying at the top, not what I recommended, but hey, you guys should still be okay as long as we don't decide to flush one more time, in which case most of your stop losses will actually hit. So just be careful. Some of the things that popped off yesterday are coming down a lot, like Dogecoin Mars. This popped up like 30% and now it's down like 15%. That type of stuff you should be aware of. But overall, guys, it's okay. Play it safe, be responsible, and don't go too heavy. Dogecoin Mars, a lot of these things have been breaking above moving averages. Your best bets are looking for altcoins that are actually at levels of support. This could be trend lines, this could be moving averages, or just massive levels of resistance, Fibonacci levels, anything. When they're up against that, that pop is what you guys are going to be trading. I would say it's better to trade this unless you guys have a multi-week plan that you guys are hoping for, which could definitely happen. But again, news is pretty crazy right now. The world's pretty crazy right now. Congress is pretty crazy right now. Just take it easy, okay? Hope you guys all have a good rest of your day, and thank you guys so much for watching.